Everyone, my name is Edwin. I'm going to be talking about the topic of noise pollution, sonic pollution in San Cristobal. Noise pollution is understood as the presence in the air of noise of vibrate, water, the aqueous emits, the orange that in implied annual risk of damage to people for the level of their activities. Over time in the city of San Cristobal and a large part of country what is now push has increased in great quantity in industrial noise and other type of the contour and the love of Denmark to society. This is due to industrial and overpopulation, where where in neighborhood with think to busing include indoors workshop so has regular store where are living in interesting technology or interest in the inverse of so unstable in the every in which the human being can operate. Uh, In the neighborhood, this type of pollution abound can love there are that combat the problem but is necessary to pay more attention in those cases because they cause a lot of damage at the higher level to the community or because to implement a new methodology for change some equip and artists that hurt the ever and have no now positive country to society.